Go.
We are packing up and leaving Padre Island National Seashore.
And heading off to San Antonio, Texas for a whirlwind tour before taking our van once again to park on a beach.
Keep watching this video for recommendations to see what we chose to do in our one-day visit to San Antonio.
And find out what happens when you get stuck on the beaches of the Gulf of Mexico. I'm Wade.
And I'm Lorraine.
And we are on the off-ramp. Well, it's February 6th and it's plus 20 outside. And here we are at San Antonio, Texas at Hidden Valley RV Resort. Good morning from San Antonio, Texas. We are on our way to Bakery Lorraine for her.
For me. Talk about narcissistic. We found out about this bakery through another YouTube channel. We went, we're just going to go there.
We never find a restaurant called Wade.
Or one Lorraine. So this is kind of fun.
We turn here.
Okay.
We were just looking for a Bakery Lorraine. Oh, and I think Lorraine smelled it out. I think she found it.
It's time for hot and French pastries. All right, come join us. Let's have some coffee. The largest Mexican market outside of Mexico is right here in San Antonio. And we're walking through here, maybe pretending we're in Mexico. But clearly not a heavy tourist day as we are going to walk through these shops. He was looking for a hat. What do you think? Should he get this hat? I think our kids would love it if he had that hat.
We are on the Riverwalk.
Beautiful paved trails around along the river, restaurants, shops, hotels, and we're gonna do the loop and hopefully see the Alamo from the outside.
Somewhere.
Go in. Somewhere along the line this route we'll find it.
And a good Mexican food restaurant.
Of course, a good Mexican food restaurant.
Well, we did Lorraine's Bakery this morning, so now it's Wade's Mexican.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to be tourists. We're going to be tourists and take the token Alamo shot, stand in front of it, and then leave. We're not going for a tour, but we had to walk by here and check it out.
Well, we made it to South Padre Island, and I got in the sand. I think I'm perhaps a little bit stuck, but we'll see what happens when it's time to get out in 2 days. Or in 1 day, we'll see what happens. But here we are in the Gulf of Mexico. Lots of traffic on the beach. Good morning from South Padre Island. Here's a view to wake up from outside the van.
Wade is off on a bike ride in search of faster internet. He's got some work to do on his computer, so he's packing that and off he goes. This is what we do when we're boondocking. We have watched a lot of videos of people getting stuck here in Padre Island. We thought we knew how for that not to happen. And just in case, we did pack this nice little folding shovel that you use to get out of the snowbanks in Manitoba, which we always have in our vehicles. So,
Okay,
wait.
so I'm going to back up to the end of that.
You're going to back up a bit and then come up on the trucks?
Yeah, and then I'll put the wood trucks in the back.
So we want to leave tomorrow morning, but we want to get unstuck here first. We've spent the day and not really worried about it. So there's Wade
Watch the
working on it.
tailpipe there.
Okay. Watching the tailpipe, that's for our generator. Okay, you're good. Backing up. Oh, I see. You want to move. You're moving those blocks in the front. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah. I'm hoping that the wood trucks are...
Oh, good idea.
Hopefully this will get me on top of the sand and then I'll just pull out.
These came with the van. We've used them a lot, those wooden folding trucks. So we're hoping Wade can get the van out with that. Looks like a lot of people do carry boards for doing exactly that, getting out of the sand in this area. We just didn't think this would happen to us. Stop! Lloyd's coming to the rescue. Come on, we're almost there. We're almost there.
Yeah, just go forward. Let's see where you are from.
We've got an expert with us.
Take those down.
Go, go, go! Not only does Wade Kaler pick seashells for me, I said not only does Wade Kaler pick seashells for me, he goes into the water, it's cold, and he's washing seashells for me. Our beautiful sunny morning ended up with a pretty chilly afternoon and evening.
It's not as cold as the Atlantic.
Oh. Okay. That's pretty.
Getting our shell gas.
Oh yeah, wonder how long that'll stay like that one.
All of these I've found.
Show them the one that I call angel wings.
There's a big one. You have two like that? Thanks again for joining us. We are well into our 4-month tour of the US and meeting many people along the way.
A big hello to Brent and Liz from British Columbia. We had a great visit with them, and you will be seeing more of them in a future video.
And a big thank you to Lloyd, a long-term traveler and boondocker who helped us out of the sands of South Padre Island.
Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for reminders of new content coming up, and please like and leave a comment. We love to hear from our viewers.
We've had to adjust our travels many times over the last 6 weeks, and we are fully expecting more changes in the future.
So one thing we have learned, hold your plans loosely.